Hello everyone. Today we will learn all the tenses in both Hindi and English language. So let's get started. Present tense, Vartaman Kal. So the first one under this is simple present tense. साधारण वर्तमान, आदतें, सत्य, रोज़ाना, होने वाले काम. So we use simple present tense when we talk about the habits, the universal truths, the daily routine and the daily actions that we do. And the rule for this is subject plus first form of verb plus object. When you have he, she, it and singular subject, then you have to use s or es with the verb to make it singular. And when you have a plural subject like they, children, boys, then you have to take first form of verb without s or es, or we can say that we have to take for example, the base form of verb. मैं स्कूल जाता हूँ. I go to school. सूरज पूर्व में उगता है. The sun rises in the east. And the example for plural subject is children walk very slowly. So children is a plural subject and you have to take base form of verb with the plural subjects. Present continuous, वर्तमान अपूर्ण काल, अभी हो रहे काम. Present continuous tense is used when we talk about the actions happening right now. The rule for this is subject plus is MR plus first form of verb using ing plus object. Examples: मैं खाना खा रहा हूँ. I am eating food. वह गाना गा रही है. She is singing a song. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट, पूर्ण वर्तमान, अभी अभी पूरे हुए काम. प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस इज यूज्ड व्हेन यू talk about the actions which are just completed or you have recently finished. The rule: subject plus has have plus third form of verb plus object. Has is used with singular subjects. Have is used with I, we and plural subjects. Example: मैंने खाना खा लिया है. I have eaten food. वह स्कूल जा चुका है. He has gone to school. Present perfect continuous, पूर्ण अपूर्ण वर्तमान, कुछ समय से चल रहे काम. Present perfect continuous tense is used when you talk about the actions which are continued for some time till now. Rule: subject plus has have plus been plus first form of verb using ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Example: मैं 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा हूँ. I have been studying for 2 hours. वह सुबह से खेल रही है. She has been playing since morning. पास्ट टेंस, भूतकाल, सिंपल पास्ट, साधारण भूतकाल, बीते समय में हुआ काम. Past tense is used when you talk about the actions which are completed in the past. Rule: subject plus second form of verb plus object. Simple past tense is the only tense where we use the second form of verb. Example: मैं बाजार गया. I went to the market. उसने खाना खाया. He ate food. पास्ट कंटिन्यूअस, अपूर्ण भूतकाल, भूतकाल में कुछ समय तक चल रहा काम. Past continuous tense is used when you talk about the actions which are continuing at a time in the past. Rule subject plus was verb plus first form of verb plus ing plus object. Was is used with singular subjects. Were is used with plural subjects. Example: जब मैं आया वह खेल रहा था. When I came, he was playing. वे बातें कर रहे थे. They were talking. Past perfect पूर्ण भूतकाल. भूतकाल में एक काम पहले पूरा हो चुका था. Past perfect is used when you talk about the actions completed before another past action. Rule subject plus had plus third form of verb plus object. Example: जब मैं पहुंचा वह जा चुका था. When I reached, he had gone. बारिश शुरू होने से पहले वे निकल चुके थे. They had left before it started raining. Past perfect continuous पूर्ण अपूर्ण भूतकाल. भूतकाल में किसी काम के समय एक चल रहे कार्य. Past perfect continuous tense is used when any ongoing action for some time in the past is being happened. Rule subject plus had plus been plus first form of verb plus ing plus object plus since or for plus time. Example: जब मैं आया वह 2 घंटे से पढ़ रहा था. When I came, he had been studying for 2 hours. वे कई सालों से उस गांव में रह रहे थे. They had been living in that village for many years. Future tense भविष्य काल. Simple future साधारण भविष्य काल. आने वाले समय का काम. We use simple tense when we talk about the actions that will happen in the future. Rule subject plus will shall plus first form of verb plus object. Example: मैं कल स्कूल जाऊंगा. I will go to school tomorrow. वह पत्र लिखेगा. He will write a letter. फ्यूचर कंटिन्यूस अपूर्ण भविष्य काल. भविष्य में कुछ समय तक चलता रहेगा. We use future continuous tense when we talk about the actions that will be continuing in future. Rule subject plus will or shall plus be plus first form of verb plus ing plus o object. Example: मैं उस समय पढ़ रहा होऊंगा. I will be studying at this time. वह कल खेल रहे होंगे. They will be playing tomorrow. Future perfect पूर्ण भविष्य काल. भविष्य में किसी समय तक काम पूरा हो जाएगा. We use future perfect tense when we talk about the actions that will have been completed in future. Rule subject plus will or shall plus have plus third form of verb plus object. Example: जब तुम आओगे मैं काम कर चुका होऊंगा. When you come, I will have finished the work. वह कल तक चला गया होगा. He will have gone by tomorrow. Future perfect continuous पूर्ण अपूर्ण भविष्य काल. भविष्य में किसी समय तक लगातार होता रहेगा. We use future perfect continuous tense when we talk about the actions which are continuing for some time in the future. Rule subject plus will or shall plus have plus been plus first form of verb using ing plus object plus since for plus time. Example: अगले साल तक मैं 5 साल से पढ़ रहा हूँगा. By next year, I will have been studying for 5 years. वह 2 घंटे से खेल रहा होगा. He will have been playing for 2 hours. So let's have a quick recap in nutshell. Present वर्तमान अभी रोज़ाना होने वाला काम, पास्ट भूतकाल बीते हुए काम, फ्यूचर भविष्य आने वाले काम. Now let's go through the general rules of tenses in English. Present tense talks about habits, truths, or actions happening now. Past tense talks about actions already completed. Future tense talks about actions that will happen. Continuous tense shows an action in progress. Perfect tense shows a completed action. Perfect continuous shows an action continuing over time. I hope this video will help you learn tenses more clearly and effectively. If you understand them well, hit the like button, comment and subscribe my channel.